Exercise 9.4, question 3, part A. We have some division there. A squared times b to the power of 4 divided by 2ab. Now, so it's handier to write it like this: a squared b to the power of 4 all over 2ab. And now, really, we have a 1 up there, but we don't see it. 1 times a squared times b. So dealing with the numbers first, we can't simplify that any further, and we get a half. Multiplied by, looking at our a's, 2 minus 1, we're dividing, so we subtract the powers. That's going to be a to the power of 1 over 1, multiplied by, looking at the b's by themselves, b to the power of 3 over 1, and that tidies up to a times b cubed all over 2. Now we want to look at part B. Part B. We have 3x to the power of 4 times y divided by 6xy. So I'll write it like this. Makes it easier to deal with. Looking at the numbers, 3 over 6 simplifies to 1 over 2. Multiplied by our x component, and we subtract the powers because we're dividing, so we'll have x to the power of 3 over 1, multiplied by y to the power of 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and anything to the power of 0 becomes 1, so that just becomes 1 over 1. So finally we have x cubed over 2. In part C, we have 2ab and b there is the power of 4 divided by, so I'll write it like this, a squared over b cubed. The 2 there has been divided by a 1, so we can't simplify any further. That's our number part. And a to the power of 1 minus a to the power of 2, or divided by a to the power of 2. So we're subtracting the powers, so the 1 minus 2 is actually a to the power of minus 1, like this. And then looking at the b's, dividing there, we'll subtract the powers. 4 minus 3 is 1, so b to the power of 1 over 1. So that gives us 2a to the power of minus 1 times b. And we can write that a little, if you don't like the minus sign, so it can be handy to know this anyway. So we can write that like 2b, and we'll throw this guy downstairs, and the sign on the power changes. So it changes to plus 1, so we don't even need to write it in. So this looks a little bit neater. 2b over a.